صباح الخير صباح النور يا جماعة. welcome to my YouTube channel. شكرا لكم يا جماعة عشان انتوا قاعدين تحضر الفيديو حقي. الليلة دي قاعد نعمل chicken. This is a pregnancy craving. It's something I just wake up last night and just pop on my head and just I was like I just want to have something like that. It was like in my head. Like I just told you guys to find out recently I was pregnant. And this is one of my craving video making for pregnancy. You are like a mom and maybe you're pregnant and you like something so much sour and like that. This one will be perfect for you. So let's make it. I don't even know the name of the dish. I will just give it a name I just get. Because we're gonna be frying the chicken in a small oil later, and then try to fry the rest of that. So I will just call it a chicken size with vegetable. That's what I will call it. But if you like vegetable, you're gonna love the chicken size with tomatoes and potatoes. Actually, potatoes are the majority, and carrot and one large onion. You love cooking this kind of dish, you're gonna love it. Or maybe you are pregnant and you want something that stood well with you. This will work well with you. Like I said, guys, I'm a mom of 3 and I'm expecting one as I speak. Just want to let you guys know this is one of the pregnancy craving and it's amazing. So just cook, just slide the onions very small. Then put them aside and slide your half red bell pepper until it become like tiny like that. Just cut your tomatoes big pieces and should be good. When you're done doing that, just take your chicken. You want to make the entire thing, you can do that. But I didn't make the entire thing. I just want to make about 5 of those. That's what I did. And just leave the rest of the stuff. That's what I did because I feel like it was a lot. Like I said, was a pregnant craving, so I didn't know who else gonna eat it. But when it's done, some people did eat it actually. My kid did try to eat it. Like I say, just came out of my head and I started making it. So I just fry a little bit in both sides for about 15 minutes. And when they're all done, you fry about 7 minutes on the other side and 7 minutes on the other side. You can keep checking them too. In any case, they overcook in the other side. So like I was doing it, one chicken fell inside and slapped me with the oil, but I dodged it on time. So I'm not hurt. It's good. Like I say, it was so easy to do because this pot is good and it's easy to work with because it just got fire. It just get hot so quickly, and you guys know when it's hot, it can cook really fast. And the chicken was golden brown, like you see, was coming so perfect. Like I imagine in my head when I was thinking about this. Like you guys know, when you're like craving something, no matter what you do, you always put it in your head and you want to just eat it no matter what. So like I say, just wake up in the morning and just start craving this thing. And like it was in my head all night long. So when I wake up, I just decide to make it. And that was so perfect. I just cook it and hopefully you guys will like it. Like and then نقول لكم يا جماعة أنا نقول لكم شكرا شديد عشان تقعد أعزر فيديو حقي وكل الفيديو أنا قاعد نعمله عملت subscription وزرت فيديو حقي كمان شكرا شديد يعني. Thank you so much guys for always watching the video. I know it's not that huge, the channel is quite small, but I know we'll get there with your help and good video. We'll just get there at some point. So we've been doing so good so far. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for always watching. All I can ask from you, you feel like you have any question to ask, just feel free to ask in the comment section. Maybe just go to my community tab there and just for something like comment and just let me know how I did with this video. And just want to let you guys know too, if you guys want to learn like either recipe or something like to do, you can just join my membership and I will be giving you some tip how to cook when you're late or how to cook when you don't have the energy to make something and you're still hungry. Yeah, you join my membership. Will be starting to teach there. So I get like 2 people there. I will start, or maybe 1 person. I will start doing that. So I can just give you easy tip to just cook while you take care of the house, maybe clean at the same time and do other things. Give you the tip to go on with no worry. Like we do, I did. The chicken was done. I removed it. I did grill. I did fry the potatoes a little bit, and then add the rest of the ingredient like vegetable. I add onion with red bell pepper and tomatoes, and then add chicken and then carrot after that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be putting my most favorite ingredient, because like I say, I was craving this food and I have no idea how to make it. I just thought from scratch, just cook this idea up in my head and start going on, and it came out so perfectly. These are the ingredient you're gonna be using. Those spices are good. You have your like red bell pepper and all this stuff, you're good to go. Salt and chicken cube and chicken powder will do too, and black pepper I mean will do. And you like paprika and all this ingredient will do too. That is soy sauce. I use it too because I just wanted a bit of that flavor. Like I say, it did come out so well and so nice. But if you don't want to overcook it like mine, you can just put it in like that one for 15 minutes again and it should be done. But for me, I put it about 35 minutes again, because like I just fry the chicken only for 15 minutes. But if you want, you can fry the chicken until the chicken is almost done. And then you can just cook it within just only 15 minutes or 10 minutes. And you will have your vegetables still fresh and everything. And it's up to you to how you can cook it. You can just stop it like this. Or you can go on and cook it deep down. Because I like it done, well done food. And it's come out so perfectly. I love the way it turned out to be. And it's so good. And I like this pot too. It's amazing. When you cover it, it's cooked so nicely. Like the chicken is well done. Now the dish is ready to be eat. You can have it with bread you like, but for me, I'm going with rice, because that's the easiest thing I could get. And I didn't want to overwork myself, because I know I keep doing more. My craving is gonna go away, and I'm not gonna be liking this food again. Like I say, it's just a baby want it. So let's go to what the craving hit now before it go away. And just imagine like that. You have lemon, you can just squeeze a bit of lemon and put it in there. But you have a bit of green half, you can just cut a bit and put it on top to give that decoration. But for me, I didn't have that. But the good thing about this dish is just easy to make and simple. You want to watch more amazing video like that, you can just click up here. You're gonna see 2 of my video. You can click and watch, and you're gonna find some easy recipe too. Thank you for watching, and see you in this video coming up.